Welcome back to MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Lance Weatherby here. I'm standing in front of a 2016 16-foot Carolina Skiff. You can buy this boat for under $17,000. She only has 5 hours, folks. This boat's in great shape. Stored in a gentleman's garage. He just didn't get time to use it. Take advantage of a Honda motor, stainless steel prop, trim tabs, nice little dive ladder here. The cooler is included. This boat has a live well, a Garmin fish finder, a fish box, built-in rod holders, and the flip-flop leaning posts. What a great boat, guys, for the money. It's already pre-wired for a trolling motor. This single axle aluminum trailer maybe has 30 miles on it. The guy that sold this boat here to us, the boat ramp was 3 miles from his house. He's used it a couple times, and it's just it's ready for a new owner. Give us a call here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Thank you.